Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and today I am going to be sharing with you DIY Pottery Barn Christmas home decor dupes. Now, you know me, I am all about decorating on a budget and really creating that designer look for less. So I am sharing all of my decorating tricks so that you can create the same look in your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that like button, and I want to give a huge thank. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. 1. Large rustic gold bells. Set of 3 large rustic gold bells with rope. Standing bells for mantle, Christmas decor, rustic farmhouse. Very rustic. 2. Small Christmas bells. Bells for craft and Christmas decoration. Shabby chic rustic style vintage Lucky Harmony cow bells, wall hanging bells. 10 cone and 10 cylinder bells combination. 4 hanging bells, a red cherish ribbon/raw-bon. Also include with the pack. Small bells has a loop at the top to help hang it or with craft work. These bells are baked in fire, giving them their unique shades of brown rustic color. Golden brass plating color, make it vintage look. 3. Mirrored star ornament, 10 points. This celestial accent adds a heavenly glow to the holiday home by pairing mercury glass with a warm brass trim. Designed to catch the light, it's perfect for hanging from your Christmas tree or over a mantle lined with candles. 4. Small glass finial ornaments. Vintage style designed like the mercury glass finial ornaments of yesteryear includes 6 unique designs of small drop ornaments: finial, onion, ball, spiral design, and teardrop-shaped color distressed gold. Material: glass and metal. 5. Carved wood tree ornaments. Natural and expressive, the carved wood tree ornaments bring a vintage feel to your holiday decor. Their carved details and warm tones effortlessly add organic quality and charm to your holiday tree. 6. Piper ornament. The Piper ornament has a bold metallic palette that reflects twinkling tree lights while providing welcome contrast to the branches and pine. Crafted from glass with a gunmetal finish, the diamond shape is complete with ridges, bringing refined texture to your Christmas tree decor. 7. Norfolk pine wreath for front door. Artificial Norfolk pine wreath is 24 inches in diameter. This size is the perfect choice for your door decoration. Christmas wreath is made of high-quality plastic, which is UV protected and able to withstand wind, rain, and sunlight exposure, suitable for outdoor Christmas-themed decoration. Pine wreath is suitable for decorating doors, windows, walls, above fireplaces, corridors, patios, or entrances, etc. It is an indispensable Christmas item to add a festive atmosphere to the home. 8. Christmas pinecone glass for 5-piece. The material is glass. The process is blown. The molten glass is blown by the mouth into a finely carved pine cone mold. This fiberglass has excellent durability and stability, adding unique elegance and quality to your Christmas tree decoration. This product is hand-drawn, with brown as the background color, with shiny metal sequins on the surface. Exquisite craftsmanship, sparkling in the light, dazzling. These pine cones can add some unique natural beauty and fun to your Christmas decorations. 9. Christmas acrylic rectangle photo ornaments. 8-pack of 3 by 2 inches Christmas acrylic photo ornaments frame. Each picture frame has a hole with a diameter of 5 millimeters to facilitate hanging. Have your photo hanging in no time. Crafted with precision, allowing you to effortlessly switch between snapshots, and it comes with a beautiful gift box, perfect for giving as a gift. Photo frames offer unmatched ease of use. A top slot in each frame allows you to effortlessly slip your photo in, ensuring a snug fit. The inclusion of a loop equipped with a ribbon takes the convenience even further, making hanging a cinch. With this thoughtful design, no complicated installations or tools required. 10. Found wooden sled. We fell in love with these vintage wooden sleds, once used by children in the German countryside and the Austrian Alps during the early part of the 20th century. They're made of European hardwoods with the original metal hardware on the bottom to protect the skis from the wet snow. Perfect as decoration in an entryway or by the fireplace. Each sled is unique. Let us choose for you. 11. Christmas candle tree wood. Christmas candle tree, woodwick dough bowl candle personalized Christmas candle decorated candle holiday table centerpiece Christmas decor. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these DIY Pottery Barn-inspired Christmas decor dupes have sparked your creativity and shown you just how easy it is to bring that high-end holiday look into your home on a budget. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY holiday inspiration, and let me know in the comments which project was your favorite. Wishing you a cozy, stylish, and beautifully decorated holiday season. See you in the next video.